How to sign out of App Store on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. Tap on the top right corner of your Apple account which displays your profile. This takes you to the Apple account screen. An Apple account is the personal account you use to access Apple services like iCloud, the App Store and other Apple online stores, iMessage, and FaceTime, and to access your content across all your devices and the web. Then, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap the Sign Out button. Tap on Done at the top right corner to proceed with the action. Again, tap on the profile on the top right corner. As you can see, you have successfully logged out and it says to sign in with your Apple account. Following these steps, you can easily sign out of the App Store on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.